With all the chaos lately, Amazon blocking apps, piracy warnings everywhere, Google TV users were expecting the worst. You open Downloader, try installing your favorite third-party app, and boom, that error everyone feared. Ever since Google said they'd only allow apps from verified developers, people thought sideloading was basically done. But today, things took a surprising turn. In a good way. Originally, Google planned to block any app from a developer who didn't submit ID verification. And let's be honest, most third-party devs were never going to do that, which meant tons of popular apps just wouldn't work anymore. Sure, ADB was the only workaround, but for the average user, way too complicated. But as of November 13th, Google has reversed their stance. Google is officially easing the sideloading restrictions, a complete turnaround. They'll now allow what they call experienced users to install apps from unverified developers. No ID checks, no forced ADB, just your device, your choice. Here's what's changing. Instead of blocking the app completely, you'll see a warning. Tap OK, accept the risk, install your app. If you know what you're doing, you can sideload anything again, just like classic Android. Even first-time users won't need ADB. Just click through the warning and install normally. This applies to all Google TV devices, Chromecast, TCL, Hisense, Sony, everything. Google hasn't shown the final UI yet, but it sounds like a simple prompt. This app is from an unverified developer. Accept the risk, click yes, and you're back to full control. With all the Amazon news and people worrying Google would copy them, this is a huge relief. Sideloading lives on, and users keep their freedom. Just a quick update today. Make sure you're subscribed with notifications on, and I'll catch you in the next one.